Alright, so our awareness video for today is all about HIV. So this is about the recent post of Marino PH provided with the chief cook that he has an HIV positive. And my CD count is currently low. He is already undergoing treatment according to his doctor, and his condition is manageable and he can still stay healthy lifestyle. So, of course, as a seafarer, we already know that having HIV is really most of the shipping companies do not accept HIV positive seafarers. So in this awareness video, we're going to raise it and let us discuss how it is being transmitted, okay, and what we are need to know. So this presentation came from OWA. So all agencies actually in the Philippines are raising this awareness in every pre-departure orientation seminar, okay? So what is HIV? So HIV is the virus that enters human body and stays slowly, destroys the immune system, and weakens the immune system leading to immune deficiency. No? So yun yung human immunodeficiency virus. No? So ang advanced stage po nito is the AIDS. Okay? So acquired immunodeficiency syndrome or AIDS that normally taken about 10 years, ganun katagal yung pag-develop po nito. No? So it is the stage of HIV infection in which the body system can no longer fight infection and becomes open opportunistic infection. This is now weakened with the open signs and symptoms. So ganyan po siya. So ano ba yung transmission? No? So ito po yung transmission niya. Okay, AIDS or HIV is the first stage. Then there are cases na yung may mga HIV, hindi po nagkakaroon ng AIDS, hindi siya nagde-develop kasi marami na pong mga platform and gamot, no, that can take longer years para ma-prevent talaga yung AIDS. So HIV is of course being transmitted in the use of non-sterile spring or tools. Sa mga mahilig po magpapatato, make sure, ako kasi may tato din ako, make sure na malinis yung karayom, hindi siya reused. So may mga ganon, and if you're going to inject something on your body, always double check the needles, no? Kasi pwedeng pumasok yung virus doon. And next, pregnancy. So kung for example ikaw babae, tapos magkakaanak ka at may HIV ka, so mapapasa mo sa kanya yung HIV. And blood transmission, ayan, yung dugo, no? So it's really very important na maging mindful tayo dito. Tapos organ transplant, for example, nagkaroon ka ng transplant, no? Tapos may HIV yung isa, mapapasya sa sayo. So lastly, unprotected sex, no? So sa mga liquid such as semen, vaginal fluid, breast milk, mga ganon. So these things should be avoided at the same time. So lagi po tayo condom din, no? So ako, I'm a fan of having condom na lagi po sinasabi sa mga awareness. But then again, it is much better na we stay loyal and faithful to one partner only. No? So kung makipag-sex po kahit kanino, yun, may tendency po tayo magkaroon ng HIV. So sa mga seafarers kasi, we have a tendency na lumabas, mag-shore leave. So dun po, normally may mga seaman pa din, hindi naman nila lahat na mahilig po sa labasan. Tapos dun po, nakipag-sex kahit kanino, no, sa mga putahan po. Yeah. So, please, kung may asawa po kayo, may mga pamilya kayo, stay faithful to your partner. Ha? Kasi yan po yung biggest flex that we can do. No? Maging mabuhay para sa isang tao. Alright? And of course, ito po, HIV is na transmitted kasi marami pong mga misconception about it. Hindi po siya napatransmit sa laway, touch, towels, toilet, shower, insect bites, food, drinks, and utensils. Ha? So hindi po siya kahit halikan ka po sa maraming beses, hindi po siya matatransmit unless nagkaroon ko ng sugat, tapos nalunok mo yung dugo, mga ganon. So, please, ito po yung hindi po natatransmit yan dyan. So, this kind of topic should be also raised to everyone, especially sa mga followers, kung dami na po natin. So, sana po, no, wala po tayong mga HIV cases related. At yan din po yung lagi ko sinasabi sa mga seaman namin dito sa agency namin, no? So, let's stay faithful. So, of course, ito po, abstain from unprotected sex. Huwag po makipag-sex, please, no? Yung libog on board the vessel, please, ikamay nyo na lang. Humingi kayo kay Mayor ng tissue, tapos lotion. dumagdala kayo ng tissue. Nivea po yung famous brand. Tapos yung lotion, Nivea po yung famous brand ngayon. Tapos yung tissue, may kay Mayor. Ha? Okay, magkamay-kamay na lang po if ever libog na libog talaga. And of course, be faithful to your partner and be responsible for your health. So please, mag-e-end po yung career mo. No? Kasi normally mga ganitong tao, hindi po makontento sa isa. Cheating is always a choice, remember that. And if you're going to have sex with that someone, then it's your karma. Ha? So hindi ko man alam kung ano nangyari kay Chief Cook, pero at the same time, no, we are saddened na ganun po nangyari sa kanya. So sana, okay, we can stop this stigma po for HIV through this awareness. And correct and consistent use of condom for safe practices. So ayan, you can do that, no? So kung may mga cases sa ganyan, and of course, don't use prohibited drugs and alcohol, and don't have casual sex or sex with strangers, especially yung mga app na yan, no? So, I think may mga ganung bata, especially mga bata ngayon, di ba? Mga millennial, mga Gen Z, mahilig po sila mag-explore. So, may mga dating apps na nag-o-offer ng mga ganito. So, wag na wag po tayo mag-download or magsali sa mga dating apps. Okay? And education through HIV and AIDS, ito na po yung ginagawa po natin. And safe blood products and needles at the same time. Ha? So, of course, ito po yung mga video na to is, itong awareness na to is really came from the government, and actually the Department of Health has of course campaign about it. So let's watch a campaign of DOH. Here it is.
Ang HIV ay ating ding pag-aralan, makipag-ugnayan sa healthcare worker para sa tamang impormasyon, magpatingin at kunin ang libreng screening para mabantayan ang kalusugan at masunod ang tamang gamutan. Ang DOH ay nagbibigay ng libreng ARV o antiretroviral medicine sa buong Pilipinas. Wala nang dapat mamatay dahil sa HIV. Kaya nating kamtan ito. Isa po itong paalala mula sa DOH dahil bawat buhay mahalaga.
Okay, and we have also another one. So this will be the last for this awareness. Okay, so ito siya.
As everyone, I World AIDS Day. Bigyang pansin ang kapulong na pagtaas ng HIV cases dito sa Pilipinas. Kung sexually active, gumamit ng condoms and lubes, at gawing regular ang HIV testing. Ito ay libre, private, at confidential. Kung maging reactive ang resulta mo, may support groups na gagabay sa'yo. May antiretroviral drugs na pipigil sa pagdami ng virus sa katawan mo. May batas na poprotekta sa'yo laban sa diskriminasyon. Mag-avail ng HIV services for free. Kung tayo sa ating mga primary care providers.
Okay, so always remember, the government is here for those with HIV. And always remember also that you're not alone. No? There are a lot of options that you can do also if ever nagkaroon po kayo ng HIV, and you can still live a fulfilling life if you want. So this of course is to really prevent any HIV cases related to the seafarers. Thank you.